Hey. Hey, baby doll. What are you doing here? Just thought I'd teleport in to teach the language and the culture to our children. Hey, everybody. The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO Weenie Mushane. Say hello, sweetheart. BOOZHOO Gakina. Hello, everybody. And over here, the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons. Hey, everyone. Welcome to the show. And me, I am NANABOOZHOO. Ikadon BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Say BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Say hello, NANABOOZHOO, because hello. Gakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the show. I feel like we haven't done a show in a long time. I know, me too. It's like last week. Yeah. But, and we lost all our viewers. Yep. Nobody's here, sweetie. Nobody cares. Man, you go on vacation for one weekend and a BOOZHOO crew's like, well, that's it. I'm not watching this anymore. BOOZHOO crew's like, oh, NANABOOZHOO, he's dead to me. Me, I only watch Jeff Dunham. How you guys doing? Today, our Ojibwe word of the day. You know, it's Ishkwa Anima Egg. You're good, sweetie. It's after prayer day or Monday. Ishkwa Anima Egg. You're good. After prayer day. It is Monday, the first day of the week. Bejigo. First day of the week. And what do you have to say for yourself, sweetie? For myself, not much. You got big plans for the week? I got no plans for the week. Well, do the show. Yeah, we're going to do the show. Gotta mow the lawn. I'll mow the lawn. You can mow the lawn. Wash the windows. Wash the windows. You know, rock and roll all night and party every day. You're going to rock and roll all night and party every day. You know who likes to do that? Paul Stanley. That's right. Hey, Paul, how you doing? I'm doing great. How you doing, NANABOOZHOO? I'm all right. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Stanley. Hello, everybody. How you doing? I got a question for you all. I'll be doing the hosting today, NANABOOZHOO. I can't hear you. I said I'll be doing the hosting today. Oh, all right. Paul Stanley. Anyway, today, I know what I wanted to do today. What's that? I wanted to tell the story of Bapak Wana Jean Winini. The story of the Batman. Yeah. I forgot that we recorded that. Right. For anybody who's listening to the KBXE Community Radio Rockin' the Northland, our show this morning, we told the Batman story. And just to give you a little behind the scenes, a glimpse at the real world of NANABOOZHOO and Natasha. We do a 5 to 7 minute Ojibwe phrase of the day for community radio here in Bemidji. And you think, well, what's the big deal? Tell them anything in Ojibwe. Hey, BOOZHOO means hello. Miigwech means thank you. This has been your word of the day. You think it'd be easy. But it's turned into this whole thing where we got to teach a word and tell a story and be entertaining and thought-provoking. And I mean, I love doing it. I'm really proud of our little radio shows. Yeah. But it's a creative thing. You can't, when they say you can't, creativity doesn't have what's that called? That card you put in when you work? Your punch card? I don't think it's called a punch card. It's your time card. Your time card. You don't punch a clock. That's what you're thinking. Yeah. So every week you run the risk of having nothing to say. I've already taught so much Ojibwe on that show that I can't You can't just retell how Beaver got his tail every week for the rest of our lives, you know. But so in the last minute yesterday afternoon, we couldn't think of what to talk about. We just started riffing. And so I told the Batman story. And I went, that's right, this is a hilarious story. So let me back up. If you're new to the show, essentially, I'm an Adazuke Winini. I'm a storyteller, sweetie. Yeah, you are. Adazuke Winini. A traditional story, like a legend, you know, something like how Beaver got his flat tail, or, you know, the creation of Turtle Island. Yeah, the migration story. The migration story. These are all like Adazukan. Adazukan, they're legend. Adazukan Yag. Is that plural for legend? Legend. I don't know. Adazukan is a legend or a story, you know, like a traditional story. And people get real bent out of shape when they hear me telling traditional stories in the summertime. Yeah, they do. Not that it's really summer. It snowed in Bemidji this weekend, by the way. Anyway, so there's a rumor that goes around out there, like, oh, never tell the traditional stories until the snow is on the ground. And, you know, when people only know a little bit of their culture, everything becomes a taboo. Hey, you're never supposed to do that. Always set your drum up on its side. Don't ever, you know. But people get, you know, whatever. So they heard you're not supposed to tell stories until the snow flies. And I asked him, my elder once, I go, what's up with that? Is that really a thing? And Benny, he goes, oh, yeah, you know. I mean, you got to remember, in the old days, they didn't have TV. You know, so winters are long, and they'd be telling the storyteller, like, hey, hang on to the story. Don't waste them during the summer. We're going to go outside, go hunting, go fishing, and have fun. You know, you didn't need a storyteller in the summers. Even though I'm sure they had storytellers every night around the fire. But anyway, so I just disregard. I tell stories. I don't care. I'm an Adazuke Winini, a storyteller. But what the storyteller does is he teaches the language and the culture, huh, sweetie? So today, I would like to tell the story of... Whoops. That almost worked, sweetie. Yeah, I know. Bapak Wanajin Winini. Bapak Wanajin Winini, the Batman. And Opichi, Robin. But before we do that, sweetie, hang on. Okay, we still don't have any viewers. What's going on? Did they take our channel down? I don't know. Okay, here's the other thing. The last show we did, they took it down. They gave us some kind of weird... It wasn't a copyright strike. They said we did something wrong. We had like a free speech violation, or I don't know. But now we have no viewers, sweetie. And that's never happened before. We've been on for 10 minutes. I know sometimes we can't read the comments, but we can always see that we have viewers. There's no viewers right now. I think YouTube is censoring us for some reason. We got to quit talking about the flat earth. I know. Because now I can't get into this. All right, very briefly. Bapak Wanajin is the Batman. Opichi is a Robin. He's the first bird of spring. And, you know, I have no loyalty to YouTube. Really? Why not? Yeah, it's crazy. Actually, I should have loyalty to YouTube. But if they're banning us or shadow banning us for some reason, you know, we should go to Spotify. I never watch Spotify. Neither do I. That's why I can't feel like I want to do this. Maybe we should just go live on Facebook. All right. All right, we're not going to do this because nobody's watching, sweetie. We could play a song, see if anybody shows up. Let's play one song and see if anybody shows up. Let's see. Should we play Strutter or Fix You? Let's do Fix You. All right. Here's a song by Coldplay. Fix You, miigwech. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. High above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go, when you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO by Lyons. The live stream podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo. On the piano, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Way over there, the rock star cartoonist, Lyons. Miigwech Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. Dush Miigwech Ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Lights bones, and I will try to fix you. Giga Wabamin, Minowa.